Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, thank you for coming to this presentation. I'm glad to see you all. Let me introduce myself. My name is Yunita Sulistiani. I'm from class Information System B. In this presentation, I will to present about programming language. Here is a little quote. Any fool can write code that a computer can understand. Good programmers write code that humans can understand. By Martin Fowler. First, I will explain to you about programming language, generation of programming language, database development, internet and web page development, application and program development, artificial intelligence development, how many programming language are there, and conclusion. Programming language is an artificial language designed to communicate instruction to a machine, particularly a computer. Programming language can be used to create programs that control the behavior of a machine and to express algorithms precisely. Generation of programming language. In computer programming language, divided into two levels, namely low-level language and high-level language. In low-level language, consists of two generations, namely first generation and second generation. In high-level language, consists of three generations, namely third generation, fourth generation, and fifth generation. First generation language, machine language. Operation code such as additional or subtraction, operands that identify the data is be processed. Machine language is a machine dependent. It is one only language the computer can understand. Very difficult code, but very difficult to write. Second generation language or assembly language. Symbol operation codes, repload binary operation code. Assembly language programs needed to be assembled for execution by the computer. Each assembly language instruction is translated into one machine language instruction. Very efficient code and easier to write. Third generation language, closer to English but include simple mathematical notation. Programs written in source code which must be translated into machine language programs called object code. For example, first, C. The C programming language is a programming language developed by Dennis Ritchie and Brian Kernighan at Bell Labs. Second, C++. C++ is a high-level programming language. The syntax of C++ is largely inherited from a C language. It has object-oriented programming features its predecessor such as classes, abstraction, encapsulation, inheritance, and polymorphism. Third is C#. C# is a programming language based on C++ and Java developed by Microsoft. Fourth, Pascal. Pascal is a high-level programming language developed by Nicolas Weir that is named after the mathematician Blaise Pascal. And fifth, Fortran. Fortran is a short for formula translation. Fortran was one of the first programming language and the oldest programming language still in use today. Fourth generation language, a high-level language or 4GL that requires fewer instructions to accomplish a task than a third generation language. In fourth generation language, used with databases, query language, report generation from designers, application generation. Fifth generation language, declarative language, functional, for example, lib, schemes, SML, also called applicative, everything is a function, logic, prolog, based on mathematical logic, rule or constraint based. Database development. Database developers create and maintain databases. If you're interested in creating or maintaining a database, consider any of the following language. First, FoxPro. FoxPro originally developed by Fox Software and known as FoxPro or FoxBase. Fox Software was acquired by Microsoft in June and is now known as VFP Visual FoxPro. Second, MySQL. MySQL is an open source DBMS Relational Database Management System. MySQL is widely used and a popular alternative to other SQL solutions because it is open source and can be downloaded for free. DBase, a file database management that was created by IBM. DBase has now become an industry standard. Internet and web page development. Internet and web page development are the essence of the internet. Without developers, the internet would not exist. If you're interested in creating web page, internet application, or other internet-related tasks, consider the following language. First, HTML. HTML is short for Hypertext Markup Language. HTML is used to create electronic documents or code pages that are displayed on the World Wide Web. Second, Java. Java is an object-oriented programming language developed by James Gosling and others at Sun Microsystems and is widely used to create internet applications and other software programs. Third, JavaScript. JavaScript is an interpreted client-side scripting language that allows a web designer the ability to insert code into their web page. Application and program development. Application and program development involves programs you work with on a daily basis. For example, the internet browser you are using to view this web page is considered a program. Example of application and program development. First, Swift. Swift is similar to and highly compatible with the Objective-C programming language. It was designed to help developers increase application fault tolerance and system safety. For example, Swift programmers cannot use null pointers except with a special data type called unsafe pointer. Second is Java. Third, Visual Basic. Visual Basic was designed with the beginner programmer in mind and for programmers who needed to develop visual elements in their program. In Visual Basic, users can drag and reposition visual elements like windows, buttons, and forms, and then create events and triggers for those elements. Artificial Intelligence Development. Artificial intelligence or relates fields in voice creating the character interaction in computer games, processions or programs that make decisions, chatbots, and more. If you're interested in developing an A1, consider the following language. First, Prolog. Prolog is commonly used for AE and unlike other programming language, Prolog is based on a set of rules instead of instruction. Second, Python. Python is an interpreted, interactive, object-oriented programming language that was first developed by Wied van Rossum. Third, C. The C programming language is a programming language developed by Dennis Ritchie and Brian Kernighan at Bell Labs. How many programming languages are there? As computer has evolved, many different computer programming languages created for various types of development. And finally, you will know a conclusion. Conclusion of programming language is everyone needs a language to tell an information which is hidden. In such a way, programming is a language which is used for knowing the hidden information of computer-related programming. Thank you very much for your great attention. May all those we have shared be beneficial for all of you. Thank you guys.